Hi, if you are looking for job opportunities, today this video we're going to see latest pharmacy job vacancies available right now. So let's move on.
So guys, in this video we're going to see vacancy from Rubicon Research. This is a walk-in interview on 20th July. So my dear friends, the department is QA and QC. So if you are a Bsc or Msc, Bpharm and Mpharm, then looking for a job opportunity in a US FDA approved oral liquid plant. So the experience required is 2 to 7 years of experience. You need to carry your updated CV, hard copy, salary slips of 3 months, offer letter, appointment letter of current company. So you are going to get so the company is saying high growth environment, on job learning opportunities, exposure to latest machinery and technology. So guys, how you can apply for this job opportunity? You can just apply simply by scanning this QR code and dropping your CV at the mail ID provided by the company, and the timings are 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. at the given venue at Maharashtra. Thank you for watching.